morning, everyone. This is Sherri from Donnelly Ford. Today I have a 2023 ProMaster to show you.
This has a V6 engine in it. You've got 4 really nice tires, excellent backup camera. Let's go inside and look at all the space you have. Whether you're looking for a vehicle to convert into a weekend camper or you own a business and need a place to store your tools, look at all the space that's in here. I'm 6 foot tall and I have plenty of headroom in here. You have row after row of holes so that you can bolt down and attach shelving units or toolboxes or whatever you need to make this vehicle work for you. It is absolutely enormous in here and ready to be converted into whatever you need it to be. You have the wide mirrors to see all the way to the back of you. You can also attach a trailer to this if you need to haul something. These side mirrors are both heated. Come check this out today and discover the Donnelly difference. You can reach me. My name is Sherri, 740-392-2222. I'm on extension 3014.